Hello and welcome back to all of my fifth graders. I am so glad to see you again today. Today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson 4, which is whose sock is this? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Whose sock is this? All right, let's learn our new words for this lesson. Do you know what this is? This is easy, right? This is an airplane. Very good. Let's say it together. Airplane. Airplane. Do you know what this is, right? You use it on your hair. What do we call this? Yes, brush. Let's say it together. Brush. Brush. Yes, David has this on his shirt. What do we call these? Right? It is a button. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Button. Button. Yes, you put these on your feet, right? In the morning before you come to school. Do you know this word? Shoe, right? Let's say it together. Shoe. Shoe. Underneath your shoe, you wear these. Do you know this word? It is sock. Sock. Let's say it together. Sock. We know that this is a book, right? But what kind of book is this? Right? In English, we say textbook. This is the book that you use at school. If you use your book at school, we call it a textbook. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Textbook. When you get out of the bathtub and you are wet and you want to dry yourself off, you get a towel. Let's say it together. Towel. Towel. Okay, let's review. What kind of book is this? Textbook, right? This is a textbook. This is what David teacher has on his shirt, right? We call this button. Everybody together. Button. Button. All right, underneath your shoe, you have this on your feet. What do we call this? Sock, right? Sock. Let's say it together. Sock. You use this on your hair, right, to make it pretty. We call it a brush. Brush. Let's say it again. Brush. You put these on your feet before you come to school. We call it a shoe, right? Shoe. And when David teacher came to Korea, he had to ride on one of these. This is an airplane, right? Let's say it together. Airplane. Airplane. And finally, when you go to the beach or you get out of the shower and you are wet, you have to use a towel, right? Let's say it together. Towel. Towel. All right, we are going to learn our new expressions, our new phrases for chapter 4. So the first one is whose, mo mo mo, blah, blah, blah is this. So I might say, whose pencil is this? Or whose marker is this? It's whose? It's David Teacher's marker. It's David Teacher's pencil. Is this your, right? So something that might say is this your watch? Is this your pen? Is this your paper? You would say, it's mine, right? If this was your marker, you would say, it's mine. It's David Teacher's. It's mine. It's my pencil. It's my marker. It's my paper. Okay, let's practice these together. Whose, what is this? Yes, whose airplane is this? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Whose airplane is this? It's Junho's, right? It's Junho's airplane. Let's say the sentence together. 1, 2, 3. It's Junho's airplane. Very good. Whose, what is this? Very good. Whose brush is this? Whose brush is this? Who is this? Yes, it's Sai's brush. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. It's Sai's brush. Let's read the top one more time. Whose brush is this? 1, 2, 3. Whose brush is this? Do you remember what this is? Very good. It is a shoe, right? So we would say, whose shoe is this? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Whose shoe is this? Let's say it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Whose shoe is this? Ah, he is pointing to himself, right? So what do we say? It's my shoe, right? It's my shoe. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. It's my shoe. Let's say it one more time. 1, 2, 3. It's my shoe. Or you could say, it's mine. It's mine. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. It's mine. What kind of book was this? Do you remember? Whose textbook? Yes. Whose textbook is this? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Whose textbook is this? What does this name say? Kate, right? So we would say, it's Kate's textbook. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. It's Kate's textbook. Do you remember what this is? Whose button, right? Whose button is this? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Whose button is this? Let's say it one more time. Whose button is this? Who is this? Ah, it's V's button, right? It's V's button. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. It's V's button. Very good. Whose? Yes, towel. Whose towel is this? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Whose towel is this? Ah, what does this mean? It's my towel. Let's say it together. It's my towel. Or what else can you say? It's mine, right? Let's say it together. It's mine. It's mine. What do you wear on your foot underneath your shoe? You wear your sock, right? Whose sock is this? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Whose sock is this? Very good. Do you know who this is? Whose sock is this? Yes, it's Spider-Man's sock. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. It's Spider-Man's sock. One more time. It's Spider-Man's sock. Ah, what is this? Whose? Do you know? Phone, right? Whose phone is this? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Whose phone is this? One more time. 1, 2, 3. Whose phone is this? It is Amy's phone. It's Amy's phone. 1, 2, 3. It's Amy's phone. All right. Let's do our book now. So I want you to turn your book to page 56, please. Page 56. This is what page 56 looks like. So let's start with
Fun Talk.
Remember, the first thing all you need to do is just listen. Just listen.
Are you ready to go home?
Yes, Miss Parker.
Is this your brush lid?
Yes, it's mine. Thanks.
Whose sock is this?
It's Brian's.
Whose towel is this?
It's Kevin's.
No, it's Jinu's towel. Jinu, here you are. Okay, now let's go.
Whose bag is this?
Oh, that's my bag.
All right, this time we are going to listen and repeat, right? Listen and repeat.
Whose sock is this?
Whose sock is this?
It's Brian's.
It's Brian's. Very good.
Whose towel is this?
Whose towel is this? It's Kevin's.
No, it's Jinu's towel.
No, it's Jinu's towel. Okay. Do you remember whose towel is this? Yes, it's Jinu's towel. And whose bag was this? Yes, it is Hannah's bag. Good job. All right. So please fill in this portion of the page, right? Jinu's towel and Hannah's bag. Okay, when you are done, we have one more thing to do, and you need your pencil or pen.
Listen and write.
Okay, so I want you to listen and then write down the name. Let's do the first one together, okay? Number 1.
Whose sock is this?
It's Jinu's.
Okay, where is the sock? Yes, the sock is here, and whose name do we put here? Very good. It was Jinu's sock, right? Jinu's sock. Okay, let's do number 2.
Whose brush is this?
It's Hannah's.
All right, where is the brush? Here, right? And whose brush is it? Good, it's Hannah's brush. It's Hannah's brush. Let's do number 3.
Whose shoe is this?
It's Kevin's.
All right, where is the shoe? Yes, and this shoe belongs to Kevin, right? So write Kevin. Okay, number 4.
Whose airplane is this?
It's Stacy's.
All right, we have to find the airplane. Where is the airplane? Yes, and who does the airplane belong to? Stacy, right? Stacy. All right, let's do number 5.
Whose button is this?
It's Lynn's.
So we are looking for the button. Where is the button? Yes, and the button belongs to Lynn, right? L-I-N-H. Okay, we have 3 more, right? We have 3 more.
Whose towel is this?
It's Jinu's.
All right, we are looking for the towel. Where is the towel? Yes, and who does it belong to? Jinu, right? Jinu's towel.
Whose textbook is this?
It's Hannah's.
Whose textbook? We have 2 things left, this and this. Yes, this is your textbook, and your textbook belongs to Hannah. Hannah. All right, last one. Do you know what this is?
Whose phone is this?
It's Brian's.
Yes, it is Brian's phone. Brian's phone. Very good. When you are finished, your page should look like this. All right, that is all we are going to do today. Thank you so much for watching and participating, and I will see you again real soon, okay? Goodbye.